Hey guys, today we're going to be making some courgette, or you might know as zucchini fries. So they're really simple and easy, straightforward to make, and they're such a simple and delicious snack.
First, you're going to want to cut up your courgette or zucchini into 3 parts or 2 depending on how long you would like your fries to be. And then you're going to cut up those sections into fry-sized pieces. You're then going to mix those pieces with salt for flavor. You're then going to break an egg into a bowl and whisk it. And then add a splash of milk and continue to mix that. Then, you'll need to put flour, salt, and pepper into a plate. And in another plate, put breadcrumbs and Parmesan cheese. This will be your setup for the coating of the zucchini fries. You're then going to evenly coat each zucchini piece in flour, followed by the egg, and then finally in the breadcrumbs before placing it on a tray. Once you're done coating all of your zucchini fries, you're going to either bake them in the oven or an air fryer, or in our case, deep fry them. After you fry it for a few minutes, you're going to take it out of the oil and put it on some paper towels. Then, dab off any excess oil and add some salt to it for flavor. Finally, you're all done. Look at how mouth-watering that is. We hope you enjoyed the video and have a great day!